Hi, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to mute ringtone on this device. So to mute the ringtone on your iPhone 15 Pro, you should open first the settings, then tap to the sounds and haptics. You could activate silent mode to do that just by clicking to the switcher to use the action button. But first go to the settings to action button and switch your currently mode to this silent one, your current option to silent mode option, and now by click to the switcher you could turn on or turn off silent mode. Also you could mute ringtone volume button or ringtone volume panel just by slide to the left side these dots and ring volume panel. Also, we could use the buttons just to do that. Just press down volume button to do that, but first you should click to the switcher to activate and turn off this option. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.